Ready to send your document for signing? Simply drag and drop it, or upload your file to AiSign. After it's uploaded, enter the recipient's name and email. Then craft an email title with an optional message. Once done, you'll seamlessly enter the editor to finalize your document. Now, let's personalize your document. Use the document editor to drop in signature fields and any additional fields your recipients need to fill out. Just drag and drop and you're done. If you're sending to multiple users, simply click on a user's name and select it from the drop-down menu. Ready to sign? Check your email or head to your inbox to access the document. On the sidebar, you'll find all the fields that need your attention. Simply click any field on the sidebar and you'll be taken directly to it in the document. To sign, click on the Sign field. This will open a box. Select your signature and then click the Select Signature button. Once you've completed all fields, a pop-up will appear. Click Finalize to complete the signing process seamlessly. Once all recipients have signed, you'll automatically receive an email with the completed document. After signing, easily download your document by clicking the Download button. To access your signing certificate, click the down arrow next to Download and select Certification. This certification serves as your proof, confirming that this document was correctly signed by all parties. With AiSign, signing and sending documents has never been easier. Thank you for choosing AiSign, and happy signing.